I wore this shirt in honor of today's vlog. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Amelia, Ohio, to the Ohio Police Canine Memorial. And I've always been fascinated how dogs and humans have helped each other through the centuries. And even today in the 21st century, they still continue to help humans. You have herding dogs that round up livestock. You have drug sniffing dogs, bomb sniffing dogs, even cancer sniffing dogs. And today I want to show you a memorial that pays homage to the police dog. And you may not realize it, maybe you do, but a lot of these dogs die in the line of duty and they should be remembered. And this memorial does just that. So let's go take a look. Our adventure starts here. I first became aware of the Ohio Police Canine Memorial when I was filming the vlog of my furry Valentine last year. And I just knew immediately I had to show you this place. In 2015, Amelia police officer and handler of Canine Gator, Craig Heinzelman, was inspired to create a unique memorial to honor Ohio police canines. The creation of this memorial was a three-phase project. In phase one, a bronze sculpture of a police dog on a boulder has been installed at the center of a 30-foot surfaced arc, and the statue was created by Lena Torich of Young Fine Studios. In phase three, 3 granite walls were laser etched, and the center wall carries pictures of canines by Pam Jones Photography as well as the poem Guardians of the Night, while the outer walls are inscribed with the names of sponsored dogs and their duty station. And here's the poem Guardian of the Night, and the author is unknown, and it says, "Trust in me, my friend, for I am your comrade. I will protect you with my last breath when all others have left you and the loneliness of the night closes in. I will be at your side. Together we will conquer all obstacles and search out those who might wish harm to others. All I ask of you is compassion, the caring touch of your hands. It is for you that I will unselfishly give my life and spend my nights unrested. Although our days together may be marked by the passing of the seasons, know that each day at your side is my reward. My days are measured by the coming and going of your footsteps. I anticipate them at every opening of the door. You are the voice of caring when I am ill, the voice of authority when I've done wrong. Do not chastise me unduly, for I am your right arm, the sword at your side. I attempt to do only what you bid of me. I seek only to please you and remain in your favor. Together you and I shall experience a bond only others like us will understand. When outsiders see us together, their envy will be measured by their disdain. I will quietly listen to you and pass no judgment, nor will your spoken words be repeated. I will remain ever silent, ever vigilant, ever loyal. And when our time together is done and you move on in the world, remember me with a kind thought and tales. For a time we were unbeatable, nothing passed among us undetected. If we should meet again on another street, I will gladly take up your fight. I am a police working dog, and together we are guardians of the night." Beyond the physical memorial, the Ohio Police Canine Memorial serves as a resource for canine handlers across Ohio, and they also provide training and equipment to Leo canine units. The memorial is a 501c3 nonprofit corporation, and they rely solely on donations. Some of the ways people can help finance this memorial is by purchasing Ohio Police Canine Memorial merchandise, support fundraising events such as the Paws on Patrol 5K in September and the Halloween party in October. There's also corporate sponsorships, volunteers, and people who shop with Amazon Smiles. To quote Officer Heinzelman, "This memorial gives something back to the dogs. They don't ask to be put in harm's way, but they do it because they love their handlers." This is a very powerful, moving memorial, and I recommend if you're ever in the Amelia, Ohio area, you should definitely come see it. You know, I'm not going to say a whole lot more about it because I think it speaks for itself. So if you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and share. Until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off.